Hi, welcome to our channel Sparklebox. I'll be showing you today how to make a hatching bird handcraft using paper plates and color papers. Let's see what all we need for our hatching bird handcraft. Cut the paper plate in half. This is the nest for your bird. Now, paint this in brown. Use the compass to draw the bird on the color paper. Now, cut this out. Draw the egg on another color paper and cut it out. Now, draw the egg cracking and cut it. Start giving details using sketch pens. Now, paste the top part of the egg on the bird. Use glue to stick the eyes for your bird. And give the detailing for the beak of the bird. Stick this on an ice cream stick. Now, slide a hole on the paper plate using a blade. The hole should be big enough for the ice cream stick to go through. Now, paste the egg on the paper plate. Make sure you only glue the ends of the eggs. Now, insert the ice cream stick through the hole. There you go. Now you have the egg to hatch. Thanks for watching. For more interesting DIY crafts, do like, share, subscribe to our channel Sparklebox.